When Allah says wait, what does He mean? He's giving you a warning. For example, in a school, there is a bully who bullies a junior student. And the junior student tells that big bully who is a senior student, wait till I get my elder brother. And his elder brother happens to be a big gangster. So when the junior student is telling the senior student, wait, he's actually giving him a warning, you buzz off. You get out, otherwise you'll be taught a lesson. When the junior student tells the senior student, wait, he's telling him, wait till I teach you a lesson. That means you better run off. So when Allah says, فَتَرَبَّصُوا, Allah is telling us Muslims, you better improve. فَتَرَبَّصُوا حَتَّى يَأْتِيَ اللَّهِ بِأَمْرِهِ, until Allah brings about His decision unto you. Wait, otherwise Allah will bring upon destruction unto you. وَاللَّهُ لَا يَهْدِي الْقَوْمَ الْفَاسِقِينَ, and Allah guides not the fasik people, the perverted transgressors, the rebellious people. So Allah is giving a warning in verse number 24, Surah Tawbah, to all the Muslims that you should love Allah and His Messenger and doing jihad in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala more than anything else.